Atomic models. The idea of atoms was invented by two Greek philosophers, Democritus and Leucippus, in the 5th century BC. The Greek word atom means indivisible because they believed that atoms could not be broken into smaller pieces. Nowadays, we know that atoms are made up of a positively charged nucleus in the center, surrounded by negatively charged electrons. However, in the past, before the structure of the atom was properly understood, scientists came up with lots of different models or pictures to describe what atoms look like. After the electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson in 1897, people realized that atoms were made up of even smaller particles than they had previously thought. However, the atomic nucleus had not been discovered yet, and so the plum pudding model was put forward in 1904. In this model, the atom is made up of negative electrons that float in a soup of positive charge, much like plums in a pudding or raisins in a fruit cake. In 1906, Thomson was awarded the Nobel Prize for his work in this field. However, even with the plum pudding model, there was still no understanding of how these electrons in the atom were arranged. Rutherford carried out some experiments which led to a change in ideas around the atom. His new model described the atom as a tiny, dense, positively charged core called a nucleus surrounded by lighter, negatively charged electrons. Another way of thinking about this model was that the atom was seen to be like a mini solar system where the electrons orbit the nucleus like planets orbiting around the sun.